Localization is crucial for expanding your audience reach beyond borders, making your app more accessible and appealing to users worldwide. In this video, we'll walk through the process of localizing your Flutter app. First, open your pubspec.yaml file and add these two packages as dependencies. Make sure to enable the generate flag. Then, organize the packages under your lib directory, create the necessary this folder, and add these two files as per this video instructions. Next, create a YAML file at the root of your project to configure the localization tool. Add the following 3 lines of code. So the first line of code defines the location of our localization files. The second line code defines the default template file, and third line of code defines the location of our generated localization. Then, open these files and add all the languages your app will support by creating a class and adding the language codes. You can find the language codes from websites like this one. After defining the supported languages, you need to add translation files under the specified directory. Ensure that each file follows the naming convention. You also need a template file corresponding to your default language, in our case, English. In the configuration, we specify that our template file will be n_template.json. Create this file and add the template translations to it. Then, create translation files based on the default template keywords. Remember that in all new languages, the value keys must match those in the default sample. In your main.dart file, import the localization library and specify the supported locales and initial locale value inside the material app. Also, include the localization delegate. Run your project to trigger the code generation process. You should see the generated files under Data then Tool. On the home page, import the package and display the current language to the user using app localization.ofcontext.language. To enable language switching, simply go to the main.dart file and change the initial locale value by modifying the language code.